Hello students, I'm glad to see you today. Welcome to our lesson. I hope you enjoy it. Today we continue to travel around Britain, and you will find out more interesting information about this beautiful country. So, let's begin our interesting journey through the UK. But first, look at the pictures and try to guess what are we going to discuss today. You're right. We will discuss the nature of Great Britain. But before you listen to the most interesting information about the nature of Great Britain, check out the new words that you might hear. Number 1. Valley. A low area of land between mountains or hills, usually with a river flowing through it. Number 2. Plain. A large flat area of land. Number 3. Swift river. A river that moves quickly. Number 4. Dale. Is an open valley. It is also a synonym to the word valley. Number 5. District. An area of a town or a country. Number 6. Landscape. An area of land that is beautiful to look at or that has a particular type of appearance. Number 7. Scenery. Natural things such as trees, hills, and lakes that you can see in a particular place. The British nature is amazing. It changed greatly from the south to the north and from the east to the west, so you can enjoy its variety during a 2-day bus trip. So let's plunge into the most interesting information about the nature of Great Britain. The surface of the British Isles varies very much. Geographically, the island of Great Britain is divided into 2 main regions: Lowland Britain, the Lowlands, and Highland Britain, the Highlands. The Lowlands include central, southern, and eastern England. They have beautiful valleys and plains. The Highlands consist of Scotland, most of Wales, the Pennines, and the Lake District. It is mountainous part of Britain, but the mountains are not very high. The highest mountain is Ben Nevis in Scotland, 1,343 meters. Scotland is separated from England by the Cheviot Hills, running from east to west. The Pennine chain stretches southward from the Cheviot Hills into the Midlands, plain region with low hills and valleys. There are a lot of rivers in Great Britain, but they are not very long. The Severn is the longest river, while the Thames is the deepest and the most important one. The River Avon is famous for the town of Stratford-on-Avon. the birthplace of Shakespeare. The swiftest river in the British Isles is the Spey. The swift river flowing down from the hills into valleys are called dales. Now answer my questions. Number 1. Where are the mountains in Britain? In the Highlands. Number 2. What is the longest river in the United Kingdom? The Severn. Number 3. Which river is associated with the name of Shakespeare? The River Avon. Which is the highest point in the United Kingdom? Ben Nevis, 1,343 meters. What river does London stand? The Thames. What is the swiftest river in the British Isles? The Spey. Your next task is to read the text and fill the gap. There are 2 extra words, so read very carefully. Now let's check your answers. The United Kingdom is situated on the British Isles. It has 4 parts: England, Scotland, Wales, and the Northern Ireland. England, Scotland, Wales are called Great Britain and are situated on the island called Great Britain too. The climate of Great Britain is mild. England and Ireland consist mainly of plains. Scotland and Wales have mountains. There are many rivers in Great Britain. The main river is the Thames. The longest river is the Severn. The capital of the United Kingdom is London, but there are many beautiful towns and villages. Let's summarize our lesson. Where is the United Kingdom situated? What was new for you at the lesson? Would you like to visit the United Kingdom? Thank you for your work at the lesson. Have a nice day. Goodbye.